The Indiana Criminal Justice Institute's Traffic Safety Divisions proudly presents The Sounds of the Game, where all Boilermaker fans can relive the exciting sounds of the game.
Purdue beats it down. Bird shoots a three and strips the cords outside right. High ball screen to Travis and an NBA three. Good by Bird. And on the left side, Minnesota. Almost stolen and was stolen by Tyrone Johnson. Comes down the lane and puts it in. Blocking call and the bucket counts. The point, left side Bird, another triple. Good! How about the Birdman? They get it to Smith. Stop, shoots a three. Good! About a 23-footer. Smith after the ball fake. Open in the corner is Travis Carroll. Then Bird shoots a three. Good! Bird again! Bird really working to get open. He's open. He'll shoot a three. Bullseye! Bullseye, Bird! Crossover dribble again. Here's a drive in and another layup for Lewis Jackson. His fifth second half basket. Inbounding Hummel. Has it out. They have a breakout. Here's Bird all the way down. Cuts in. He was fouled. Scores! How about that bucket by DJ Bird?
The Indiana Criminal Justice Institute's Traffic Safety Division is a proud partner of the Purdue Boilermakers and want to put the brakes on distracted driving.